Please go ahead.
Uh, Good evening, everyone. I extend everyone a warm welcome on behalf of the members of IEEE PES Student Body Chapter IIT Palakkad on the inauguration ceremony. I am Siddharth Tripathi and I am currently a master's student in Power Electronics and Power Systems and at IIT Palakkad. And I am also the treasurer at the IEEE PES SBC IIT Palakkad. And I will be the host for this evening. So a famous quote by Lao Tzu states that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a small step. And we took that small step, the team at IIT Palakkad, a few months ago while discussing the formation of the IEEE PES student body chapter. And today we take another step forward in your August presence in the inauguration ceremony of the IEEE PES Society at Power and Energy Society at IIT Palakkad. IIT Palakkad was established in 2015 and it is dedicated to make the world a better place through innovation, as embodied by its tagline, Nurturing Minds for a Better World. The IEEE Power and Energy Society at IIT Palakkad, a student body chapter at IIT Palakkad, aims to carry forward this mission while embodying the IEEE PES mission and embodying the spirit of IIT Palakkad, and aims to foster a culture of innovation and safe environment where all the members can freely express their ideas and engage in professional development of the fellow students in the field of electrical power and energy at IIT Palakkad, as well as the communities we are a part of. So I welcome all the guests present here, and I will now proceed with a code of conduct pledge. So a code of conduct acts as a set of rules and norms that shall be followed by any organization and helps us stay focused on our mission. So on behalf of all the IEEE members present here, I shall take a pledge. We, the members of IEEE, in recognition of the importance of technologies in affecting the quality of life throughout the world, and in accepting a personal obligation to our profession, its members, and the communities we serve, do hereby commit ourselves to the highest ethical and professional conduct and agree to uphold the highest standards of integrity, responsible behavior, and ethical conduct in professional activities, to hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public, to strive to comply with ethical design and sustainable development practices, to protect the privacy of others, and to disclose promptly factors that might endanger the public or the environment, to improve the understanding by individuals and society, the capabilities and societal implications of conventional and emerging technologies, including intelligent systems, to avoid real or perceived conflicts of interest wherever possible, and to disclose them to affected parties when they do exist, to avoid unlawful conduct in professional activities, and to reject bribery in all its forms, to seek, accept, and offer honest criticism of technical work, to acknowledge and correct errors, to be honest and realistic in stating claims or estimates based on available data, and to credit properly the contributions of others, to manage and to maintain and improve our technical competence, and to undertake technological tasks for others only if qualified by training or experience or after full disclosure of pertinent limitations, to treat all persons fairly and with respect, to avoid harassment or discrimination and to avoid injuring others, to treat all persons fairly and with respect, and to not engage in discrimination based on characteristics such as race, religion, gender, disability, age, national origin, sexual orientation, gender identity, or gender expression, to not engage in harassment of any kind, including sexual harassment or bullying behavior, to avoid injuring others, their property, reputation, or employment by false or malicious actions, rumors, or any other verbal or physical abuses, to strive to ensure this code is upheld by colleagues and co-workers, to support colleagues and co-workers in following this code of ethics to strive to ensure the code is upheld and to not retaliate against individuals reporting a violation. I will now request Dr. Manas Kumar Jaina, the advisor for IEEE Power and Energy Society Student Body Chapter at IIT Palakkad, to address the gathering with a welcome note. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Siddharth. Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. My name is Manas Kumar Jaina, currently serving as an assistant professor at IIT Palakkad, as well as the advisor for the IEEE PS student branch chapter IIT Palakkad. So definitely today is an important day for all of us, as we are marking this beginning of our PS student branch chapter at IIT Palakkad. So on behalf of the Power Electronics and Power Systems Group IIT Palakkad, I welcome you all to this inaugural ceremony of the student batch chapter. Firstly, I take this opportunity to welcome our honorable guest, Chief Guest, Suher sir, who is currently holding the position of Chair IEEE PS Kerala chapter. So most probably Suher sir will be joining us in a few minutes or so. I'm also honored to welcome Engineer Ajit Gopi, Vice Chair IEEE PS Kerala chapter, Dr. Sobha, Vice Chair IEEE PS Kerala chapter, Dr. Bobby Phillips sir, Secretary IEEE PS Kerala chapter, Engineer Anandu Kumar, Engineer Saran KS. I welcome you all to this inauguration session. And I would also like to welcome my colleagues, my friends, Dr. Swarup Sahu, who is the chair IEEE student branch Kerala chapter. My colleague, Dr. Arun, who is the stream coordinator for Power Electronics and Power Systems program. Dr. Anirudh, my students, IEEE volunteers, everyone. Again, thank you so much for your time and for joining us for this inauguration. Thank you all. Over to you, Siddharth.
Thank you, sir, for extending the warm welcome to everyone. I will now request Dr. Swarup Sahu, the counselor for IEEE Palakkad student branch, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Swarup Sahu. I'm an assistant professor at IIT Palakkad. So I'm also the counselor for the IEEE student branch. So this is a very important event because it is Power and Energy Society student branch. And we know that it is the most one of the most important branches of IEEE. So I really appreciate and congratulate the students who have taken all the initiative in creating this branch and also doing all the activities of the branch. I will also like to thank our colleague Dr. Manas, who started the initiative, and he got everything done, and also convinced me to take up the position of counselor. And I also would like to thank everyone, Dr. Arun and Dr. Anirudh, as well as the chair of IEEE-PS, Sri Suher, and vice chair of IEEE-PS, Ajit Gopi, and all the dignitaries who have come here to help us and also to encourage us and our students to do a good job in this program. Thank you. Siddharth, you can take over.
Sure. Thank you for your inspiring words, sir. Dr. Mr. Suhair AK will join us shortly. He's the chief guest, but he's busy with some personal work. Uh, I will request Dr. Arun Rahul, the stream coordinator for power electronics and power systems at IIT Palakkad, to share a few words.
Okay, thank you, Siddharth. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, good evening to all. On behalf of PEPS Stream and IIT Palakkad, I would like to express our gratitude to IEEE PES Kerala chapter for supporting us, and we request their further help and assistance from IEEE Kerala section for the future activities related to this IEEE Palakkad IEEE PES Palakkad student chapter. And once again, I would like to appreciate the efforts taken by Dr. Manas for initiating this student chapter at IIT Palakkad. So we all know that active IEEE forums contributes a lot for the technical, academic and research growth of scientific growth of research students. Also, this will give extra mileage for the institute and research labs in terms of opportunities like hosting grand events and conferences. Okay, so I am offering all my support and wishing all success for this student chapter. Also, students are the major components of this research forum. So I request the active participation from all the students and contribute towards the student chapter in terms of activities. And once again, I like to wish all the best and thank you.
Thank you for your inspiring words, sir. They mean a lot to us. And next, I would like to request Dr. Anirudh Guha, who is a senior faculty with the PEPS, that is Power Electronics and Power Systems at IIT Palakkad, to share a few words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Siddharth. So I think I would just like to wish the student chapter well. I hope that it's a good opportunity for all of us. So I think being a student chapter, I should be talking less and students should be doing more of the talking. So I think you guys can go ahead. So thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would request Engineer Ajit Gopi, who is the Vice Chair of IEEE PES Kerala chapter, to address this gathering and inspire us with a few words. Hello.
Hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Respected Suhair sir, sir is actually expected at any moment. He just conveyed that let the inaugural session go on. Respected Dr. Swarup Sahu, Counselor IEEE Student Branch Chapter. Dr. Manas Kumar Jena, Advisor IEEE PES Student Chapter. My Vice Chair colleague, Dr. Shobha Manekal ma'am. The Secretary of IEEE PES Chapter, Dr. Bobby Phillips sir. Engineer Anindus Kumar, Engineer Sharan KS, Tripathi Siddharth, Suvit Sahu, Tripathi Siddharth, and all the young volunteers, student volunteers assembly here. It's a great moment for IEEE PS chapter to inaugurate, to have another IEEE PS SP chapter here. And we offer all the support for you as the Vice Chair of IEEE PS Chapter Kerala. We can organize a lot of events, powerful events here. We can support you in all respects in providing experts and providing other kind of technical help in organizing events. There is no doubt about that. We are the largest society chapter now in world. I think you know about it. Having more than 4,000 strong members on board, and most of them are from the student community. We are the largest student chapter, IEEE PS student chapter in the world. And we bagged 2 times the best chapter award globally, a lot of global recognitions as well. A lot of IEEE PS chapter young professionals are serving in global positions. And a lot of student chapter SPCs are doing well globally as well. They are getting the outstanding chapter awards, outstanding chapter council awards, and all the accreditations they are gaining. I don't have any doubt about IEEE PS chapter Palakkad as well, IIT chapter as well. I hope that IEEE PS SPC IIT Palakkad will also excel in all the activities here and after. We are living in a world of big challenges. The world was facing the pandemic challenge, still exists. Every day we are hearing the news of the activities of mitigating it. Today, actually, the COP26 is starting at Glasgow, Scotland. COP26, you all know about the climate change event. The world governments are assembling there to discuss and mitigate, or to discuss the activities to mitigate the climate change challenges the humanity is facing. As IEEE PS chapter, it is our responsibility to bring expertise from worldwide and to generate expertise from internally also to address these kind of challenges. We have to build resilient power systems to meet the challenges of climate change. You all know that Kerala, for the last couple of years, from 2017 itself, facing a lot of calamities in terms of climate change. 2017 we faced Oki. 2018 we faced the mega flood. 2019 it repeated. 2020 it repeated, and 2021 again it repeated. We have seen a lot of tremendous rain in October, which was unprecedented. We always see rains in June, July, and it was the previous years it was August. Now we have seen that a lot of rains in October. So the climate is completely changing. The seasons are changing. And of course, the power systems should be resilient to face the situation. That is the challenge the humanity is facing now. And of course, because of this climate change and all, poor countries are facing a lot. They are vulnerable to this kind of challenges, especially the countries in South Asia like Bangladesh, India, and countries from sub-Saharan Africa as well, in terms of drought and all. So we have to build resilient systems to face the situations. So we need expertise from all over the world. We have to build our own expertise to cope up with the challenges. So I hope that this chapter, the first IIT student branch chapter in Kerala, can bring expertise for contributing to the fellow chapters, to the fellow student SPCs, and bring a lot of knowledge and innovation to the humanity and to the community. I wish all the success in your future endeavors and all the support from IEEE PES chapter Kerala. Thank you. Thank you again.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and extending your support. It means a lot to us since we are a new IIT and this is a new thing for us and we are starting this for the first time.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I will now request Dr. Shobha Manakal, the Vice Chair of IEEE PES Kerala chapter, to proceed with the inaugural address. So, Dr. Shobha.
Thank you, Siddharth Sudhakar, for including me in this session. So, respected Suhair sir, who is the chair of IEEE PES Kerala, Mr. Ajit Gopi, my colleague, Dr. Swaroop Sahu, Counselor, IEEE Student Branch, Dr. Manas Kumar, Advisor, IEEE PES Student Chapter, Dr. Arun Rahul, String Coordinator of IIT Palakkad, Dr. Bobby, and all my dear students. First of all, let me congratulate the students, IEEE Student Branch of IIT Palakkad, for commencing this PES chapter in their institution. And I would say that we are welcoming you wholeheartedly to IEEE Kerala chapter. And I would say that we are really proud to have IIT Palakkad branch, student branch into Kerala chapter, because we are pretty sure that the student branch of IEEE Kerala section is going to have a great strength through the activities which is coming through your organization. As rightly pointed out by Ajit Gopi, the PES Kerala chapter is really a very energetic chapter, having a lot many students. It is the biggest professional organization, I would say. And this was actually, if you talk about IEEE Kerala chapter, this was founded in the year 1999. And at that time, we had only a members of, say, around 12. From this, in 2012, we were able to have the Outstanding Chapter Award, then the Membership Growth Award in 2013. It was then a small chapter category, and further, subsequently in 2015, 16, and 17, it became a large chapter, having large number of students. It raised to around 426, and senior membership also grew in large numbers. And now presently we are having 4,000 plus members and 42 student branch chapters in IEEE PES Kerala chapter. And the main contribution or main strengthening is coming from the student chapter. And there are 100 plus young professionals, 210 professional members, 3,600 student members, 70 plus graduate student members, 90 senior members, 10 plus life senior members. All this happens to be the strength of IEEE PES Kerala chapter. And there is a very efficiently working EXICOM and subcommittee. There is a separate student activity subcommittee for supporting the student activities within Kerala chapter. Then there is a very efficient student leadership, very dynamic, I would say, student leadership team with comprising of a lot many students who are actively working. And a lot of achievements also have been taken by the IEEE chapter, largest society chapter in the world in terms of membership, largest PES chapter in the world with 44 SBCs, second rank in IEEE PES Global High Performance chapter, second in 2021 PS chapter social media contest, and many volunteers in IEEE PS Kerala chapter volunteering in global positions, including PS Smart Village Community and many other initiatives. And we have a very active IEEE Young Professional group and Women in Power group. All these are very active and several programs are being conducted. There is much of involvement in humanitarian activities. There are a lot of projects, funded projects taken up by the students. Then recently, a very good project like rural water for having rural water with technology, that is, which was getting a lot of funding from IEEE HAC site. This was very successfully completed. That is the reliable and accessible water with clean energy. This was done by the PS Kerala chapter, and a lot of appreciation has come even from the United States and various corners. And regarding the student support, there are a lot of platforms, technical support. One wing is there, resources for conducting events, then supporting SBCs for membership development, then communicating with IEEE PS governing bodies. All these separate chapters are there for supporting the student branch. And also, as I told in the beginning, outstanding student branch award, then outstanding student volunteer award, outstanding women in power award, outstanding YP award, outstanding student branch chapter advisor award. All these are the awards which is constituted by IEEE PS Kerala chapter for encouraging the student branches. Every year awards are being given, and there are special student leadership team meetup is there every year. Then there are various activities like Remembering Legends, Orion conferences, PS Ion conferences, Women of Wisdom. Every month a program is there. Today also one program is parallelly happening, which is done by one of the student branches in Kerala. Then CreateX is there, PS one-to-one meet is there. How to execute successful BTech projects. This was a program which was very well accepted by the final year students of various engineering colleges within Kerala. Then IEEE Day PS quiz program is done every year. Then student colloquium, All Kerala Power and Energy Society student colloquium, webinars and technical lectures. This is a short description of the programs going on. So we can say that one day, at least 2 programs are happening in the student community. So it is, and also the student community was able to come up with a magazine, like a technical magazine, which they are calling Test Power Scope, with a lot of contributions from seniors. All these are the various, in nutshell, the various activities of IEEE PS Kerala chapter. And recently we are in the process of organizing the 13th IEEE PS Asia Pacific PS Energy Engineering Conference. This was supposed to be conducted at Kovalam, Trivandrum, but due to the situation prevailing, this will be conducted as online, purely online. And this is going to happen this month, that is 21st and 23rd of November. And even student branch is going to have their own track even for this. I'm pretty sure that there will be contribution from IIT Palakkad also towards this program. And also we have our respected chair who has been selected as the member of Working Group on Energy Kerala State Planning Board. This is also a great achievement by PS, where we are able to penetrate into the society and do something for the something in the field of electricity, power engineering for the society. So this is only in a nutshell the major activities which is taken up. So it is a great matter of hope for us that IEEE student branch IIT Palakkad is definitely going to add more and more feathers onto this cap. I wish all success to the student branch, and we are always with you, and we are ready to give you all sort of support, and we are sure that you will be able to contribute and go ahead with activities. Once again, congratulating all the students and all the faculty members who have taken initiative in starting commencement of this student branch, and thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving an introduction of the IEEE PES Kerala chapter. And we hope that we too will be able to contribute in this dynamic IEEE PES chapter. I will now proceed with the inauguration video. So I will now request Dr. Bobby Phillip, the Secretary for IEEE PES Kerala chapter, to share a few words and facilitate the gathering. Sir, would you please? Sir, your mic is muted.
Sorry. I hope I am audible now.
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Tripadi. Good evening, one and all. Dr. Surup Sahu, Counselor IEEE Branch Chapter IEEE IIT Palakkad, who is presiding over this function. Suher sir, Chief Guest of this function and also the Chair of IEEE PES Kerala Chapter. Ajit Gopi sir, Vice Chair IEEE PES Kerala Chapter. Shobha Malik Madam, Vice Chair IEEE PES Kerala Chapter. Dr. Manas Kumar Jaina, Advisor IEEE PES Student Branch Chapter IIT Palakkad. Dr. Anirudh Guha, Senior Faculty with Electrical Department IIT Palakkad. Sri Anantu S. Kumar, YP Activities Coordinator, IEEE PES Kerala Chapter. Sharon KS, IEEE PES Kerala Chapter Student Activities Coordinator. Subhadi Siddharth, who welcomed the gathering, and Subhadiba Sahu, Chair IEEE PES Student Branch Chapter IIT Palakkad. First of all, I would like to congratulate the members, IEEE PES members of IIT Palakkad Student Branch, and also the professional members from IIT Palakkad for starting this Student Branch chapter. And in fact, I remember it is under the vibrant leadership of say Dr. Manas Jaina that we could have this within a short span of time. I think it was nearly 1 year ago. I mean, the IIT was, 1 year ago only that we contacted him regarding the PS activities, and he was very cordial to us, and he was very much interested to join PS Kerala chapter activities. And as a culmination, we have this chapter at IIT Palakkad. And in fact, several faculty members have been cooperating with us in conference activities as well. So I take this opportunity to thank them for having collaborated with us in the Asia Pacific Power and Energy Engineering Conference, which is a prestigious conference of the IEEE Region 10. And as my predecessors, speakers who have spoken already, chapter officials, they have clearly highlighted the activities of IEEE Kerala chapter and some of the accolades the chapter has gained over the years. And it is actually a very noted chapter globally also. So many of our activities are often looked by the global volunteers for emulation in their chapters. So we have such a rich set of volunteers. We have senior volunteers mentoring us, and we have, of course, not so even when the number is small, but still we have a very good number of, compared to other societies, we have a good number of professional members in this chapter. And then, of course, as a premier national research institution, IIT Palakkad can come forward and lead such areas and professional areas and conduct good programs. And we have association with the utilities, and we conduct technical programs with their collaboration. And all such different aspects and avenues were discussed by my senior officials. So I'm not going into the details, but just I wish to point out some of the benefits of being a PS member. And you might be knowing, especially the students, they will have a maximum benefit through the PS resources that is available in the PS website. As a member, you can get some of the premium services free. I mean, some webinars will be there. And as you know, as already discussed by vice chairs, energy is one of the hot topics now. You know, the climate change, and globally also, everyone is talking about reduction in the carbon footprint. And the only solution, of course, is electrification in most areas. And also in the electricity generation also, we have heard in the recent times how coal is actually getting removed from that major road. So there are plenty of scope for research in power and energy. So as IIT being a research-oriented institute, I think you have clearly a very active role that can be played. And also globally, we were often getting some inquiries like when you want to construct or to make some technical societies which make some standards and all. So often such inquiries come to the PS chapter at various levels. So I think IIT Palakkad can work with the chapter in that respect. That is the presence of Indian professionals in such standards bodies, standard evolving bodies, which will actually look into the creation of standards and all those issues, technical problems, etc. So we can, in that way, we can contribute a little bit more than what we do actually right now. So we are also happy to have you on board in the IEEE PS Kerala chapter. So definitely there will be very productive engagement, and of course you might be interested in distinguished lecturer programs, and you might get good audience there also, because naturally researchers and faculty will be interested to join that. Also, one interesting thing that we noticed in recent times is that the PS membership is now taken by professionals from other engineering fields as well, because we know that energy is now becoming one of the important areas of focus in research and development. So naturally, their interest is also coming, and we have some mechanical engineers, electronics engineers in good numbers, and even computer engineers also who are coming to PES. So with that, you can see that if in fact being a PS member is a right thing, and it's the right time to be, because this is the time then things are evolving and things are getting a lot of energy, and power and energy is getting a lot of attention, a lot of funds also, because if you have some idea, and we have plenty of such funded projects like membership development initiatives. And we have in IEEE PS Kerala chapter, we have a vibrant student team and YP team. They are utilizing efficiently some of those programs, and IIT can also join that, and they can also think of such programs and scholarship programs. I think IEEE PS India Council was actually mentioning that, and for undergraduate, especially for undergraduate students. So all those things are there, plenty of opportunities are there. So I again congratulate, before concluding, I once again congratulate Dr. Manas and his team and his colleagues, Dr. Arun and all, PPS coordinator. I am wishing them all the success in their future programs. And with that, I'm concluding. Thank you and good night.
Thank you, sir, for extending your warm wishes, and thank you for your time. I will now be presenting the PES Executive Committee at IIT Palakkad. So each member will introduce themselves. So starting with Suvadeepa Sahu. So Suvadeepa, would you please introduce yourself?
Thank you, Siddharth. Very good evening, one and all. I am Suvadeepa Sahu, currently pursuing PhD from Electrical Engineering Department. IIT Palakkad. I feel extremely delighted that the IEEE PES student branch chapter IIT Palakkad is inaugurated finally, and from now on we can carry forward all our activities with full swing. We started with a very small number, and I hope that in future we are going to increase our members, and we grow into a big family. And we actively participate in all the activities and take the best advantage of this platform. And I also promise that like under the guidance of all our faculties and IEEE PES Kerala chapter, that our student branch chapter IIT Palakkad meets all your expectations and add to the already flourishing IIT PES Kerala chapter. Thank you.
Thank you, Suvadeepa. I will now request Gayatri K, the Vice Chair of IEEE Power and Energy Society at Student Body Chapter at IIT Palakkad, to share a few words. So Gayatri, would you please?
Thank you, Siddharth. Myself, Gayatri. I'm currently an integrated MS PhD student at IIT Palakkad, and I'm extremely glad that we have inaugurated our IEEE chapter at IIT Palakkad, and I'm also glad that I'm been part of it, and looking forward to work with the team. Thank you.
Thank you, Gayatri, for the introduction. I will now request Bhavna Sharma, the Secretary of IEEE Power and Energy Society at Student Body Chapter at IIT Palakkad, to share a few words and introduce herself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Bhavna Sharma, and I will be serving as secretary for IEEE PES SBC IIT Palakkad. Currently, I am pursuing MTech with specialization in power electronics and power systems. And we are very excited to start with the activities as soon as we can. Thank you all for joining. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhavna. Next, I will request Tawfir KK, the technical coordinator, to introduce himself and share a few words. So, Tawfir.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Tawfir KK. I am the technical coordinator of IEEE PES Student Branch in IIT Palakkad. And I graduated from NIT Calicut in 2020. And currently, I am in my second year of MTech in Power Electronics and Power System. And as a team, we will try our best to contribute to the services provided by IEEE. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude to everyone for attending this inauguration ceremony. Thank you all.
Thank you, Tawfir. Since I've already introduced myself, but still I'll share a few words. So I am Siddharth Tripathi, and I'm the account treasurer for the IEEE PES IIT Palakkad. I'm currently a master's student in power electronics and power systems, and I'm in my second year. And I'm really glad to be a part of this society. And I sincerely hope that we can learn a lot of things from the IEEE PES Kerala chapter, from its dynamic leadership and the student teams. Thank you for this evening. And now I will request our chair, Suvadeepa Sahu, to do the vote of thanks. So, Suvadeepa.
Thank you, Siddharth. Now that we have come to the end of the program, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our honorable guest of the day, Suhair sir. Unfortunately, we could not have him here, but he was there from the beginning. We were planning for this inaugural ceremony. He was guiding us. Thank you so much, sir. I would also like to thank I will take this opportunity to thank all other delegates, Ajit sir, Dr. Sobha ma'am, Vice Chair of IEEE PES Kerala Chapter, Dr. Bobby Phillips sir, Secretary IEEE PES Kerala Chapter, for accepting our invitation and sharing their precious time and experiences with us. Also, I would like to thank our student branch chair, IEEE Palakkad, Dr. Swarup sir, our Dr. Arun sir, Dr. Manas sir, and Anirudh sir, and every other faculties we have joined for their guidance and support throughout. So because of whom we have now achieved, we are able to open this IEEE PES SBC chapter IIT Palakkad. And last but not the least, our very efficient EXICOM members. I will our Vice Chair Gayatri K, Secretary Bhavna Sharma, Technical Coordinator Tawfir KK, and Account Treasurer and the host of the day, Siddharth Tripathi, who have given their all sincere efforts for conducting this program, and I hope we will continue working like this in future. And I would also like to mention Mohammed, token of thanks to Mohammed Rashid KK. He was there from the very beginning, how to conduct this event and how to approach with all this and conducting this program. He was there. So he was the main backbone, I would say. And also, I would like to thank all the participants who had joined and helped us in making this event successful. Thank you, everyone.
And I would also thank Swadeepa for her leadership and for being with us while we were preparing the things for the ceremony, and for being a dynamic leader. So thank you all. Thank you for joining us in this great evening. All good things should come to an end. So we are ending the session now.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Best wishes.